everybody. I will show you today how you can narrow down your search terms when looking for online articles. And that means that when you're first looking for a subject, it's kind of like looking through a drawer full of stuff. So you just need to sort through the drawer and try to find things that will help you with your project and then get rid of the stuff that will not help you. So we're going to go over to Explore on Multi-Search, and this is what it'll show us. On the search page, you can put search box, you can put whatever topic that you want to learn. So I would like to learn about concussions. And concussions are prolonged injury to the brain that takes a long time to heal, which is something that a lot of athletes get, but it can happen to anybody. And the nice thing is, if you didn't know where that was, the definition is right here. Concussion is a traumatic brain injury that can be caused by a variety of events. So right now, we have 882,000 search results. We want to get it to be a little bit smaller than that to just show us what we really want to know. So let's do advanced search. And we have concussions. And over here, we're able to use Boolean phrases. Boolean is such a fun word to describe these three words, and, or, and not, that help us expand or make smaller or search results. So concussions and women will show us only results that have both. So it will make it smaller. Concussions or women will show us these two big subjects, anything related to concussions or women as a whole. So it would probably show a huge result, like 100,000 results. Or we can do concussions, not women. So it would be anything related to concussions that do not have anything to do with women, most likely showing concussions in children or men or animals, who knows, but definitely not women. So the not also helps refine the results. And by refine, I mean make smaller. So we're going to pick concussions and women, because I am interested in knowing how concussions affect women in general. So we're going to press search. And it went from 82,000 to 3,000, which is fantastic. So there are more things that we can do to narrow down our search parameters. We can go over in the refine results on the left-hand side of your page. Boolean phrases, look at here. Concussions and women, perfect. We want it to be scholarly peer-reviewed, which means that these articles were written and then people that are experts in that field made sure that it was accurate. So you definitely want peer-reviewed. Oh, perfect. So we have 2000 to 2021. So it only shows us articles that have been published in the last 21 years. But I would actually want it to be in the last 10 years to get the most current information. Perfect. Now we have 27. And lastly, I just want the academic journals. Academic journals have very strict policies on who can publish into their journals, and they are almost always peer-reviewed. So the relationship between symptom burden and systemic inflammation differs between male and female athletes following concussion. That sounds very much like something that I need. The observatory new studies. Pretty broad. Oh, here it is. A narrative inquiry into a female athlete's experiences with protracted concussion symptoms. Very cool. So we already saw two articles that I can definitely use for my school assignment. And if you feel like these options are too narrow, you can always change your results and your Boolean phrases to make them bigger or smaller. Thank you so much for your time. And thank you for this lesson on how to limit our search parameters and refine our results.